Yes, friends. So, welcome back. We were focusing in our last video about the principles of international business. Today, our time and energy will devote to how to find agent and distributors and a partner in foreign country. See, once you have decided that you or your company should enter the export, you decided. Now the first step will be to appoint somebody who is your business partner there, who will represent you to get all the related permission about your company. That is the we call it the company registrations or product registration, everything he will do. So this is the first fundamental step you have to take. Appoint a distributor or agent or your local technical man. Some countries they call local technical agent, whatever you call, but you have to appoint a distributor. So once you have identified what countries you want to enter, then how to find a distributor. So these are some steps. These are based on my personal experience and also how other business people have done successfully. So one is through trade shows. See, worldwide and in India also, there are always so many trade shows. Visit them. For example, there is IFEX. So IFEX is every year it is there last 10 years. So generally it is in Noida or in Hyderabad. These are two cities. And also it was in, I think, Gandhinagar also, Gujarat. So these are 3-4 cities where IFEX takes place. Go there. There are more than 200-300 exhibitors. So you will meet there foreign people, foreign delegates, and you will also know, the networking with the foreign visitors there. So go to IFEX whenever possible. And there are also other like CPHI. See it on Google, you can search. Go to CPHI exhibitions. You will meet so many foreign buyers and so many people when you visit the stalls. You don't need to take a stall because you are a beginner. You cannot take a booth which is very expensive. So there are also the ways to connect with the people. So go to trade fairs, or if you can go to abroad outside India, for example, there is one Arab Health. It is there every year, and so many people they visit and they connect. So one way to find a distributor will be through trade shows. Okay. Next is through e-commerce platforms. Today world is business is doing through e-commerce platforms. So on the Google, on the internet, search, there are platforms. They connect you to the potential, those who are interested in business. But the risk is you can't believe somebody totally a stranger on the e-commerce platform. But it is useful. You will have some idea at least. Okay, that which country there are more people interested in these products. So you can connect with them, connect with the parties and distributors. So this is a very good way. This is a very effective way. Excellent. This also okay. And the third is networking. Very effective. Networking with the people, those who have already worked. Outside India, there are at least 1,500 Indians working as a country head outside India. I believe 1,500 people. In Kenya alone, there are 300. So it must be more actually. It may be 2,000. 2,000 Indians are working in different countries. So try to do networking with them. They are Indians. They have experience there. They can support you. And as a countryman, they are reliable with you. Only thing is you have to shell out. You are prepared to shell out some charges, consultancy charges for that. Don't use somebody's service really. That is a character for some people. They want free information. So no. If you have somebody, I know my friend Mehul Desai, he's like king, Mr. Tall. He's like king in CIS. If you want to enter in CIS, contact him and he will get distributor, party, anything, anywhere, paying. I'm sorry, I don't mean him, but anybody. Now in Africa, there are so many Indians. And they are based in India, they visit everywhere. So such people, if he can support you to have appoint a good distributor, find out a good agent, it is worth. Actually, this is the best in my opinion. Networking is the best. Excellent. AA, A plus. After I started consultancy, some company I connected them to some party very easily in my job. They did something, paid as a consultant fee, and now everything is in process. They started business. So try to do networking with some Indian managers, those who have worked there. This is the shortcut, I think, and very effective way for you, networking. Next is through trade missions and embassy. Yes, there are so many trade missions, in Delhi, in India, or in any country, in the capital city and some commercial city, there are trade missions. They encourage, export and import from each country. So go there, go to trade missions, even embassy. If you have a chance to go to embassy. What is there? Go to Tanzania embassy. You go straight, you meet the ambassador or the, the attaché or the executive there that I want to export. Can you connect me to somebody in Tanzania interested in pharmaceutical? Definitely they will connect you with somebody. Once you get little hook, somewhere, now road is open for you. So go to embassies, go to trade missions, visit them, visit some diplomats, because they know the people. Pharmaceutical is a very respected field and they will respect you. Every country needs drug from India. So this is also in my opinion, okay. Is okay. This is also excellent way. That is export promotion councils. Every country there are export promotion councils. We have in India, like we have gem and jewelry export promotion council. Similarly, there is pharmaceutical export promotion council. Contact them. Go to there. I think our head office of export promotion council is in Hyderabad. Go there, meet them, the executives. I want to start business. I need to have some contacts in this particular country. Can you support me? Can you connect me to some people? They will tell you the whole process. The visa, how you travel, who are some people. So, do it. Get in contact with Export Promotion Council executives and their people. They will help you in export, how to start. It's a good way. And the last also is quite good to me. Go to the market. If you want to start export, why don't you go there? What is problem? Already as a tourist, you will visit many countries. So start your visit. Go to the countries where you think you have to export. My boss in my one company, he traveled to a company at least 10 times. Just on the way. He traveled there. He used to go to some wholesale, some hospital and find out what drugs, what is the price they are selling. And he did research, and then in one trade fair he got somebody, ideal agent, he got it. He appointed and he did a good business. So go to those countries. Recently, I think few years back, I had one my very good friend and he was a medical rep, Mr. Harish Nayak. He's in Mumbai, doing business in Kandivali area. He came to Ethiopia when I was there. He said, sir, I want to come and see the country. So it was a tourist visit coupled with export potential. And I really salute him. He spent almost $2,000 and he came and I showed him some hospital, pharmacy, and he learned, how is this. So go to those countries, friends. So, and this is to me an excellent way, because in export, you have to shell out. Initially, you have to invest money. And money investment is in dollars or euro. So if you have capacity, go there, visit those places, and that will help you more. You will know also the pricing, the consumption, the quality of the pharmacy, how they are storing, how are hospitals, what is the promotional module, is it generic market, is it branded market or generic branded market, how is the market. So this is a good way. Actually, to me also this was A plus networking, and this is also A plus. Go visit. Today for Indians, more than I think 60 countries, the visa on arrival. It is very easy. Take visa on arrival, go there, go in the markets, jump into the sea. What will happen? You will swim. Okay, you can sink also, but you may swallow some water. But there are all the chances you will swim and be successful. And so this is how you suggest you appoint a local agent. Now, related, how to appoint it. Now it depends, of course, based on the market survey in that country, based on the market survey. Market survey, you find out there who are the potential importers. They are financially strong, they can open, there is foreign currency is not a problem, they have good distribution. I think these are same as in India. When you see an appointed stockist, it is nothing new for you how to find out a good party. You know more than me. So based on market survey, find out. But small addition is, try to also sometimes support somebody who is newly interested. Support such people in that country. Somebody is bubbling, he has $500,000 or whatever, he wants to do business, he is coming up. So if you get such people on priority, that also will help you, to quickly have business. So, and you will have long-term relations. So do your analysis, see the report and the service and the image of that party. Appoint it. Always, every country has so many people and people wants to grow. So select it. So friends, this one small video is to just help you to show you the way how you can appoint an agent, distributor, your partner in a foreign country. So I'm sure this will give you some tips more next time. Thank you.